What's up, Cardmunity? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you are not, then welcome back. So today we're going to be doing our BoxyCharm unboxing. I must say mine looks odd. Like, it's just a lot longer than usual. I don't have, like, I do have some old BoxyCharm boxes, but there's somewhere back there. But usually they're more square, whereas this one's like super long, and it seems like I haven't opened it. I've like cut the tab on the bottom, but I haven't opened it. It seems like there's something bumpy. The box kind of slants a little bit, so I'm excited to see what we've got going on. So if you do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's about $21-ish a month, and you can either do like a bulk payment for like you can do one, like get it each month and just quit whenever. You can do it at 3 months at a time, where you pay for 3 months in advance, and then you can again cancel it whenever, but you like got those 3 months in the bag. 6 months and for a year. It is 21 American dollars, and then I think there's a little bit of shipping. I can't remember. That's also thrown into that lump sum. But you are guaranteed, I think, at least $150 worth of product. Don't quote me on that. I might be totally off. But you are guaranteed like way more than what you pay for your box. So each month has a theme. This theme for the month of, what are we, May, is make waves. Wow. And I'm not going to look at what we have because I'm curious. Ooh, so first off, we have Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Safe for sensitive skin. I want to say I tried one thing from First Aid Beauty before, and I tried one in stores. The one in store broke me out. Like, immediately, like, it wasn't sitting on my skin. I took it off, and by the end of the day, I had, like, something happening. So, I want to say I tried something else, and that one was okay, but I don't remember what it was. So, we'll try it. And the products that come in here are full-sized. So, that's a thrill. Let's smell this guy. Oh, hello world. I don't know. It smells kind of medicinal. It doesn't smell like coconut at all, in my opinion. So, there's that. Can I find this with... Oh, it's the first one. So, the water cream goes for $34. What a thrill. Next, we have Eyelaster Creme Eyeshadow. Oh, so this is like a liquid shadow. It is from Ciate. It is in the color Cupid. Apparently, it is color shifting. Let's see. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. So it's like a white / purplish. I don't know. Like, the camera's not quite... I mean, it kind of is, like... See how it's purple and then it's kind of like white. Let's see if we can swatch it. Oh my Lanta. Holy, okay, there's a lot. It's super wet, but it's like pink to purple to gold. It's a very shifty color. It's very wet, so I'm gonna leave it on my hand. Maybe I'm gonna just smooth it out a little bit. It's my rabbit in another room. Okay, I'm gonna see if that dries down. Eyelaster Cream Eyeshadow is $22 in value. Next, we have this, I don't know what this is. It's designed in England. Champagne cocktail. But what is it? Oriza Opaline Top Gloss. So this is like a gloss topper. It's kind of just like a white gold. I guess champagne is pretty accurate. I don't know that I'll use it, so I'm gonna keep it sealed. Some glosses are okay, but these super like glittery glosses aren't really my thing. So I'm gonna keep that one shut because I'm just not super intrigued. And she is worth $14.99. Next, we have this a bougie eyelash curler that looks like an oil slick from Pure Cosmetics. Let's curl an eyelash. Wow, can we see a difference immediately? So this one is curled and this one is not. Not tremendously, but that's okay. I'm a fiend and I curl my eyelashes after I put mascara on them, which you're not supposed to do, but I do it. So that's them curled with this festive device. The Pure Pro Eyelash Curler is valued at $18. And lastly, we have an LM Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio in medium tan. Ooh, they're pretty. So that is the blush trio. I don't have a ton of blushes, but I also feel like I always stick to the same ones. So let's do a quick swatch. So this is Seclusion. It's like a peachy one. I can't really see it because my hands are super crispy. I can see it, but I don't think it's picking up on camera. It's really super neutral. Ilia, which is a pink. Can we see it? So they're like here and there. And then the last one is Toasted. They're super, super soft. Like, I'm not really pressing down, and like I said, my hand is quite crispy, so it's not a super fair swatch, but you can see them right there, top 1, 2, 3, from lightest to darkest. This eyeshadow has dried. It's totally dried. The glitter does come off, so a glitter primer would probably be a good idea. But overall, like, even with excessive rubbing, like, the color's still super on there. So yeah, this guy is $22. So let's try to math. 111 question mark? I will put the price right here. If I'm right, yay! If I'm wrong, well, I'm not a mathematician by any means. So that's what we got in this month's box. So yeah, you tend to get either 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size products. So if you are interested in ordering the box, I don't know how long this particular box is around for. I also got version 13, so there are variations usually. Just because this is what I got, that doesn't mean that's what everybody got. There usually are some products that are standard that everyone gets, but then there's obviously a couple items that are varied. So if you're interested in BoxyCharm, check out my link below. I do not get paid, but anyone who orders from them or becomes like a member of BoxyCharm gets their own link. And if you do happen to check out the link, the only benefit to me is that whoever uses that link will possibly get like a bonus item. I get a bonus item, and you can get points to check out some other bonus stuff that's on their site. So incentive for you, incentive for me. If you want to just click it and be curious, that's fine. It only like gives those perks if you do happen to sign up through that link, but otherwise feel free to just check it out if you are interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so we can continue to spread the love of the Cardmunity. And yeah, until the next one, I hope you guys enjoyed this one.